Go ahead and start off with primer, and I'm just going to be taking a concealer. This is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. Normally set the concealer after I apply it as a primer, just because I feel like the eyeshadows go on a little bit more vibrant if I don't. But because it's such a thick concealer, I'm just going to take my finger and just kind of like pat it down and warm up the concealer again, just so it's not as like thick and stiff, if that makes sense, when I go in with my eyeshadows. Today's eyeshadow look is definitely inspired by Jeffree's star. He posted a picture or the look today on his Snapchat. He got his makeup done and using his brand new palette, and it looks so cute. I thought it'd be perfect for like a Galentine's look. So I obviously don't have his new eyeshadow palette because it hasn't even come out yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the Jawbreaker palette. I feel like I can kind of find some colors here that will make the look happen. So I think I'm gonna start with Bubblegum. This is what the palette looks like. It's so pretty. It's one of my favorite palettes that I own. I love Jeffree's Star eyeshadows. They go on really, really nicely. So I'm going to take Bubblegum on a fluffy brush. I think I'm just going to take this one from Anastasia. It came with one of her palettes. I'm going to take this and Bubblegum and just apply this directly onto my crease. Done with Bubblegum. I went ahead, as I said before, applied it to my crease, but I also went ahead and kind of dragged it up to my, almost up to my brow bone, just because I'm going to be applying other colors into my crease and I still want the Bubblegum to like peek through. So I did brush it up a little bit up into this area as well. Now I'm going to go into Gumdrop, which is this matte lavender color. I'm going to be applying this all over my lid, and as I always do, I love applying my lid colors with my finger. I just feel like I get the best application that way, so I'm just going to take a good amount of Gumdrop and just start packing it onto my lid. Back into my crease, I'm going to be taking the color Bite Me. It's this darker purple with some shimmer in it. I'm going to be defining my crease with that color, so I'm going to take this Morphe M222, this smaller crease brush, and just work this color into my crease. Focusing it in the outer corner of my eyes and just kind of blending it in with the lid color. I think that the Morphe brush that I was using is great to kind of make sure that the color you want is going directly into your crease and doesn't, because it's so pointy that it's just like right in the socket. But I kind of want to blend it out a little bit more. I'm kind of having difficulty blending with this brush, so now I'm taking, this is a NYX brush that I got for free actually at Ulta. It looks like this. So first off, I'm gonna leave it bare with no eyeshadow just to really blend out the purple, and then I think I'm gonna take a little bit of bubblegum as well to kind of brighten up the crease. think I'm done with my crease. I definitely went back and forth between Bite Me and Bubblegum. Just taking Bite Me on this smaller crease brush and then blending it out with a fluffier brush. Taking more Bubblegum just to not make it so intense because Bite Me is pretty dark. And I just kept repeating that process until I finally got something that looks like this. But also in the process of doing so, I kind of lost my lid color. So I'm going to go again with Gumdrop and just pack it on again with my finger. Now I'm going to take this small angled brush. I'm going to spray it with some setting spray as well. And then I'm going to pack Bite Me, the dark purple that I applied to my crease, onto this brush and then just define my lash line. I also took the eyeshadow that I applied to my lash line and just dragged it out and created a small little wing. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some lashes and then I'll be right back. On how my updated foundation routine, and then I also have a video on how I contour, highlight, and bronze, so I'll link those two videos down below. I did basically the exact same thing that I do in those videos. The only thing that I've been doing different is I've been adding this Morphe brightening pink powder. I used this in a Kylie video, my makeup tutorial on how Kylie does her makeup, and she uses a brightening powder, and ever since I did that video I've been really liking using this brightening powder. So I'm just gonna take, this is an e.l.f. blush brush, and I'm just gonna be dusting some like right underneath my eyes. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take Gumdrop, the lavender, the matte lavender, and apply that all underneath my lower lash line. But I'm also going to take a little bit of Bite Me that I used in my crease, the darker purple, and just focus that on the edge of my lower lash line. I feel like I need a little bit of pink too, so I'm going to take Bubblegum as well and just apply that on my lower lash line too. So for blush, I think I'm actually going to use the eyeshadow as well. I think I'm going to do a mixture of Bubblegum that I used in my crease and Good Morning, which is like a super pale pink. So I'm just going to mix these two colors on a Morphe R31. And for my lips, I'm going to go ahead and first line my lips. This is NYX's lip pencil in Mahogany. And then to fill in my lips, I'm going to be taking this Kylie lip gloss, high gloss in Diva. This lip combo, but I kind of want it to be a little bit more nude. So I'm just going to actually, this is like a little trick I do, is I take a little bit of concealer, just a little bit, especially this one since it's the Tarte Shape Tape and it's super like pigmented. So I'm just going to take just a little bit of this and apply it to the center of my lips, just like that. That's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to create another Valentine's look for you guys. A lot of you guys commented on my last Valentine's look that you wanted more. I'll link the other video down below as well. So let me know what other videos you guys want me to film and I'll do those for you guys. And I think that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video.